Human bone is an excellent example of a perfect architecture. The femur that supports the weight of our body during walking is more powerful when compared to a solid concrete of the same weight. You are more similar to your siblings than you know. According to psychology, identical twins are 90% similar. Fraternal twins are 75% similar, and siblings brought up together are 50 to 75% similar, while siblings brought up in different places are 25% similar. When you shiver in the cold, your body releases the exercise hormone irisin, which encourages your body to turn fat into heat. Studies have traced cravings for high-calorie meals back to caveman days when hunters and gatherers needed to store energy. Between unpredictable meal times, now are cravings for fatty and sugary foods, which release chemicals that can trigger mild euphoria, spur obesity, and diabetes. People have over 10,000 subtle facial expressions that can express their emotions. What's more impressive is that most people can pick up on these subtle changes. We have evolved to be able to recognize emotions via subtle changes in facial expression. Iron deficiency is the most prevalent form of malnutrition worldwide, affecting an estimated 2 billion people. Eradicating iron deficiency can improve national productivity levels by as much as 20%. World Health Organization WHO. Humans are the only animals who express shock and surprise by their mouths dropping open. Our bone marrow produces 260 billion red blood cells RBCs and 135 billion white blood cells WBCs per day. Without calories, your body will no longer be able to produce enough glucose for your big brain, and it needs a lot, about the daily equivalent of the sugar found in 3 cans of soda. Instead of shutting down, it resorts to using ketone, a fatty acid derivative. So keep eating food with more cal. In nature, some plants and single-celled organisms, such as bacteria, produce genetically identical offspring through a process called asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, a new individual is generated from a copy of a single cell from the parent organism. There are more living organisms in a teaspoonful of soil than there are people alive on Earth. You can't hum while holding or pressing your both side of nose tightly. If you will try this, you will feel unconscious in short period of time. Every 7 years, your body completely replaces itself. 25 million of your cells dead while you read this sentence. It's okay though. Your body made more than 300 billion new ones today. The cells that make up your body are dying and being replaced all the time. This happens so often that about every 7. The relation between your thumb and your nose is the length of your thumb is equal to the length of your nose. Natural clones, also known as identical twins, occur in humans and other mammals. These twins are produced when a fertilized egg splits, creating 2 or more embryos that carry almost identical DNA. Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. It may be shocking, but psychologically, it's true.